Okay, what is the name of the most famous subregion in Hawke's Bay? Famous subregion in Hawke's Bay. And you have 5 of them to pick from on the screen. I know they're on the screen. That one I knew. I put them there. I let them stay there on purpose. So what do we think? What's the name of the most famous subregion in Hawke's Bay? I don't know why I love the name of the subregion. I guess it reminds me of a cocktail. I'll give you a hint.
Okay. We're waiting on some answers. Yep. First one in from Kumar says Gimblett Gravels. Steve says Central. Let's give a couple more. Have a Look is another answer by Sedella. Gabriella saying Gimblett Gravels. Yeah, so Gimblett Gravels seems to be the preferred answer. And I think that's your favorite cocktail answer, too.
It is my favorite cocktail answer, and it is the Gimblett Gravels. Actually, who wrote Bridgepaw? So Kumar mentioned Bridgepaw, and it's not on the map for whatever reason. I didn't make the map, but that is also a pretty well-known region in Hawke's Bay as well. But Gimblett Gravels is the most famous. It's one of the rare inland locations. You can see here it's really not on the coast, so they get relatively warmer days. Gravelly soils, as I mentioned, topsoil. The topsoil actually gets warm and keeps the grapevines nice and warm, and it helps the Syrah, Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon to ripen. So there you go. Okay. What grape variety is Martinborough most well known for? Martinborough. Is it A, Sauvignon Blanc, B, Syrah, C, Chardonnay, or D, Pinot Noir? What grape variety is Martinborough most well known for? Sauvignon Blanc, Syrah, Chardonnay, or Pinot Noir? Okay.
Okay, now we have some consensus. Here we have pretty much everyone on the same answer, D, Pinot Noir.
Okay, and they would be correct. So it is the most widely planted grape in Martinborough, and you can see here 530 hectoliters. It's about 50% of plantings, and they're really known for the sort of medium plus acidity for those level 3 guys out there. Red cherry, black plum. Low yields leads to really intense concentration with medium plus tannin. So a little more tannin than some of the other regions. And they do a fair amount of oak aging, 12 to 18 months in this region, which is kind of a lot. They also use a clone there called the Abel clone that is rumored to have been propagated from Domaine Romanée-Conti. So that could be pretty fun.